How to create and manage missions. For admins and super users, click Mission and then Create Site Survey to create a new mission. Enter the mission name, date, and time. Assign a pilot, visual observer, and payload operator to the mission. You can also type in a name for the visual observer or payload operator, which is useful if they're temporary. Assign a drone to the mission. If you have an SFOC, check the box, then enter your operation radius and maximum altitude AGL. Edit your mission location directly on the map. Search for your mission location by entering an address into the search bar. You can also enter coordinates to find the mission location, or drag the drone icon to your location. Drag the visual observer, payload operator, and pilot to their positions on the map. Click the plus icon to add more markers. You can add people or obstacles to identify them on the map. Click on the markers to edit them. You can delete them, add labels, and upload images. Click Save to save your location and generate a screenshot. You can view and go back to edit your screenshot at the bottom of the page. Click Submit to generate the site survey. View this mission and previous missions in the Missions section. Click on a mission to view its details, site survey, and mission report. The site survey will also be emailed to you. You can also scroll down in your dashboard to see upcoming missions and their site surveys. Scroll down in the site survey to view its information.